Hey everybody out there in the YouTube world, it's your boy Dusty Bees the Technician, man, back with another fun-filled informative video. Today, I went over Home Depot, got a few new items, man, but we're gonna start off with my new 1/4" angle die grinder with accessory kit, man. Got it over there. This thing ran me like somewhere around, I want to say 50 some odd bucks with taxes. I want to say about 50 something dollars. Um, which is a good deal. Now let's talk about some of the features that it has. 20,000 RPM free speed, precision gears and burns, reduce vibration and eliminate grinding, wheel imbalance. Okay. Low weight composite housing, built-in silence reducing. See, got the built-in silence. So I know this one is probably a rebrand Mac tool too, because the Mac tool cutoff tool was the same way with the built-in silencer. It looked with the same type of handle look, same type of infrastructure structural, same type of structural look. And that was found out to be a rebranded Mac tool. So I'm gonna look this up and find out when I get to work and get my tool catalog. I might look up on the internet and see if this is a rebrand Mac tool. But it might not be a rebrand Mac tool. They just might be getting them from the same distributor. They might be getting them from the same place and just rebadging them. So that's probably what it is. But they making quality tools. That's all I know is they selling theirs way cheaper than what Mac is selling theirs for. But yeah, they got the built-in silence, low noise level on this. And we got the accessory kit in here too. So all right, so let's open it up and take a look, man. Okay, so let's pull it apart. Got the box open. My edge is cut off, so it's probably going to be drowning me out. Like that. Little accessory kit. Come with some little wheels, little cookies that we can use. Start us off. Little jump start. Okay, we come with the little wrench set. Same wrenches that come with the cutoff tool. Essentially, they about the same thing. Just die grinders got collets, right? That's the difference. Now, look at this thing. Nice. This thing's nice. And this is a part of that professional line, man. Husky is buying professional tools from a professional tool distributor and rebadging these tools, man. I'm telling you, they selling them for way cheaper than Mac and Matco, because I found out Matco and Mac sell that same cutoff tool that I just got that I made a video for. So you can look that up, my 3-inch cutoff tool by Husky. But Mac and Matco make the same exact cutoff tool, and I guarantee you they probably make this too. They probably selling this too. Rebrand. I got this for $50. You know you're not getting nothing like this from Mac or Matco for no $50. Nothing like this. Nothing made like this for no built-in silencer and all that. And they got a 3-year warranty. Come on, man. Look at this. Right there. And y'all can see that 3-year warranty. Plus $50, man. And this look cosmetically nice. You know, they ain't come with no fit, but I got an accessory kit. 20-piece accessory kit that I'm about to make a video on after this one so I can get a little bit more in detail. 20-piece accessory kit. And I'll be running out of fitments for my air tools as I buy them. I'll need more up, so definitely got some in there. This thing is nice, man. Feels like real professional quality. Nice rubber overmold handle where it's going. I know it's going out with vibration. And then it already got a built-in silencer in it. So, pretty cool. I'm telling y'all better take advantage. Go over there and get this stuff from Husky, man. The black tools. The professional line. Buy this stuff, man. I'm telling you, they rebadge professional stuff. Selling it to you for cheap. Y'all better wake up. I'm proving it to y'all in the tool catalogs, man. They selling the same stuff for cheap and rebadging it, man. They just putting different badges on. Better get it from Husky. Because you'd be dumb to buy it from Macco. You'd be dumb to buy the same exact tool for $100 more just because it say Macco on it. Get your money away. I mean, if you just like tools for the name, then you can't buy it. I know it's the same tool. I'm going for the cheaper one. That's just smart. But as long as it's quality, I don't mind buying it. And I support this Husky brand right here, professional line, man. They got some good stuff. But if you're in the air tools with professional automotive mechanics, don't be scared to give it a try, man. Trust me. They got some good stuff. Little cookies. Little rich. You know what to do with that, so that's the technician. Y'all know my slogan. Subscribe, keep me alive. Thanks for watching. Y'all already know I'm gonna test it out in the shop.